Hello there, Watermark here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and if this is the first time of you coming here, welcome to Max's Crib, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get several foreign accounts on a single platform. This means you can receive several foreign currencies on a single platform. So the platform for today is called Wise. Now, lots of people are venturing into foreign businesses with foreign clients, which means people from different countries. And now the major problem always lies down in receiving the money, because these guys are obviously going to pay you in their local currency. Hence today's video, which is going to teach you how you can get several accounts from several countries on a single platform. So if that is what you came here for today, let's jump straight into the video. Alright, so a link is going to be in the description below, so go ahead to click on the description and you can see the link, the first link that you can see there. Click on the first link that you see there so you can be able to come over to this place and get your account created. Make sure to click on the link there so that I can get a bonus for referring you. Alright, so as you can see, this is loaded and I said TransferWise is now Wise, they renamed. And then go straight forward, go ahead to register an account. Put your email address, click on next, or you can use Google or Facebook to sign up or whatever you feel like using. Say what kind of account would you like to open today. Alright, so if you're creating a business account, which means you wouldn't be able to send, but if you're creating a personal account, you'll be able to send, spend and receive around the world for less. So the business account is literally for those that are doing freelancing jobs. As you can see here, freelance work, maybe you're on Fiverr or you're on Upwork and you want a bank account that you can use to link there, you can then use a business account. But if you actually want something that you would like to send money to people, then I advise you click on personal accounts. And if you want to have a business account that you can use for your freelance job or something like that, I advise you go ahead to use Payoneer. A video about Payoneer is going to be coming up too. So click on personal account and then click your country of residence, Nigeria. So verify your phone number. So send the verification code, they're going to send it, and then click on submit. And then when you click on submit, you're going to ask to create your password. Can I say now that's a secure password, right? So you're registered with Wise, you can use these details to log back into your Wise account. So click on continue. You can download the app from Play Store or your Apple Store, and then you can register from there. But the account has been created, so it's to go ahead to fill our profile. So which is this, to finish account setup. Go ahead to finish account setup. So which account do you want to set up? Your personal account. Finishing up your personal account. So they're going to ask you to put in your full legal name, which is your first name. No, they say full legal first and middle names. Alright, so hold up. Full legal last name, which is Mark. So date of birth. So if you're having confusion here, just know that your first name is your surname and your middle name is your middle name. So your last name is the name, which depends on how it's arranged in your document. So just that's how it is. So date of birth, go ahead to fill in your date of birth. Click on save. So they're going to send you an SMS to confirm this. So clicking on submit, is a profile saved successfully. So as you can see, this is it. Now what you have to do, you have your account created, you can put in an account photo if you want. That's optional. So the next thing that you want to do is to go ahead to try to get this bank account, because it is worthless creating this account without getting those bank accounts. So I'm going to show you how you can actually do it. There are some things that you have to complete, with some criteria you have to complete, which is about funding your account with 10,000 naira or the equivalent in dollars or in pounds. So log in. Alright, so the account is open. This is a mobile app here, so you can download it after creating everything, because it's from the mobile app you're going to set it. So you can click on open an account. It says get started with currency account. Alright, so click on get started. Now search for the currency that you want. If it's US dollar, United States dollar. Alright, so when you click on United States dollar, it says let's open your USD account. You will get a USD account, whichever account. If it's the Euro account, if it's the GBP account, just go ahead to search it there and select the one you want. So now it says fill in your personal details. You just need a few details, your full legal names, address, which we have done. Now they say add at least 10,000 naira. You need to do this for your first set of details. You can use this money later, which means the money that you're going to put in, you can use it later. It's not that you're giving it to them or something. It's still your money. It's just something like a proof to show that you are really interested or something, not just coming to spam their websites to get accounts maybe for illegal stuff and the rest. So you are going to verify your identity also. So now the next thing to do is to go ahead to try to fund our account. Bear in mind that you can't use your Nigerian card to fund this account, so I would advise you use a dollar card. Alright, so it says this is 10,000 naira paying with AUD, so go ahead to change it to USD because you are going to be using your dollar card to fund it. Now it says you can send USD to Nigeria. Select USD for the target currency here, then select SWIFT under recipient bank details. Nigerian payments are no longer permitted by the Central Bank of Nigeria. So as you can see, it is clearly written there that Nigerian bank payments are no longer permitted by Central Bank of Nigeria. You can only use SWIFT under the recipient bank details. I don't know how that works, but if you know how that works, you can go ahead to make research if you can't use your dollar card, or maybe you have a friend that is living in the US or in the United Kingdom. You can tell them to actually help you to fund this with their card. Alright, so if you don't know how to get a dollar card, there's a video that is going to be popping here. You can just go ahead to watch it to know how to get a dollar card in just 4 minutes, so you can use to fund your TransferWise account. Alright, so it says you can't yet add NGN directly. Please choose another currency to pay with. Alright, so go ahead to select USD. Now this is dollar. You can use the GB. You can use GBP if you want. That's just your preferred option. Alright, so mine is going to be. So go ahead to change this to 20 because that is the equivalent. Because you say to get account details, you need to add at least 20 USD. So put in 20 here. So USD and then click on continue. Right, so you say how do you want to pay? Connect your bank account. This is not going to work except you are living in the US. Wire transfer is not going to work from Nigeria except you are staying in the US or you have somebody there that can actually do this for you. So debit card can work if you use your dollar debit card, and also if you have friends that are there that can just help you to quickly run this transaction. It is that they are not going to charge them much, just 24 cents. They're going to charge them for this transaction. Alright, so you can use SWIFT transfer. I don't know how this works, but it can work right here from Nigeria. So you can go ahead to make research, or maybe I'll probably make a video concerning how to do this. That's going to be later in the future, right? So go ahead to select your debit card. Now put in the card number, put in the expiry date, put in the CVC or CVV, then you can then pay this $20. You make sure you fund your dollar card with the equivalent, which is 20.24 cents. Alright, so when you are done, the transaction is going to be successful. You can then get your US bank details. Alright, so as you can see, this is a pending transaction. Go ahead to complete this, and then when you are done completing this, they're going to tell you to submit your means of verification. It could be a driver's license, it could be a passport, it could be anything that you can use to identify yourself for your country. Alright, so that's just how to get your TransferWise account. Now let me log into my other TransferWise account that I got verified, so you can see how the accounts actually are. Alright, so as you can see, this is the account which has been verified. It has been funded and it has been verified with my national identity. So as you can see, this is British pound. You can see this is the account number. As you can see, these are transactions that have been done with this. These are transactions that has been done with this account. So this is from Populous. If you want to learn how to make this kind of money from Populous, go ahead to watch this video right here. This video is going to teach you how you can actually make these £50 for free by just answering questions. All right, so this is the United States dollar account. So to get account details, just come here to click on account details, and you can see this is the account details. All right, so going back, so that's just that on how to get your TransferWise accounts, and let's get this video ended. So my friend, that is how you can get several foreign accounts on the Wise platform. So if you watched to the end of this video and you find it helpful and interesting, why not hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, smash that like button, and make sure to share this video with your friends and those who are actually going to be reading this video. Drop comment in the comment section, guys, so that those who are on YouTube right now looking for videos like this are going to get it recommended by the YouTube algorithm. So my friend, I'm going to catch you on the next one. My name still remains Word on Mark, and this is Max's Script. Hands to head. Salute.